Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we've got some run deals to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications, set them to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like these right here. And while you're at it, do a really huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, here's a couple of videos that y'all might want to go and check out. We've got the full Dollar General glitch list, freebies, and overages. Plus, we have hundreds of surprise pennies right now at Dollar General. So make sure that you go and check out those videos. They're both going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, next up, a couple of quick housekeeping matters. Number one, I am sitting at Dollar General in the parking lot, so if you guys hear any background noises, I do apologize. Number two, last week was a crazy week for multiple reasons in the couponing community. There's a lot of negativity out there right now in the comments section, so I am going to call on all of my crazy couponing friends. Let's flood this comment section right down below this video with all positive vibes. Whatever you want to say, as long as it is something positive. Let me know about how many penny items you found, or a couponing deal that you did, or what are your plans for Valentine's Day this week. Just flood those comments because we need to start this week off on a positive note. Number three, if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Also, this is a run glitch deal. There are important details that you're not going to want to miss out. So please watch the video all the way through because the deals are in the details. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this run glitch deal. Now, I have not seen this coupon before, so, of course, your girl had to run out first thing this morning and test out a few deals for us, see what is working and what is not working. Now, I will go ahead and tell you all that I did all of my transactions at an old register store. Unfortunately, the self-checkout here is broken, so I cannot try any deals there right now. If I have any free time today, I am going to try and get to a new register store where I can try it at the new register and self-checkout. If that happens, I will leave an update in the pinned comment right down below this video. But in the meantime, if you all try any of these deals at self-checkout or at a new register store that is a touchscreen register, please come back and let us know how it all worked out for you. Also, these are really expensive products that we're talking about in today's video. So if you get up to the register and something doesn't work right, a coupon doesn't come off, something doesn't attach like you expect it to, just void the transaction. You do not have to pay for it. That is your money. So void the transaction. That way you can keep your coupons. You can try to figure out what happened, and then you can try again later. Now, here's the coupon that we're going to be talking about in today's video. We just received it this morning, so make sure that y'all go and clip it to your accounts. It is $10 off when you purchase $30 or more on all P&G laundry products. We're going to stop right there because this coupon is not attaching to all P&G laundry products. So make sure that you scan and make sure the coupons attach. It continues on and it says you must buy 4 forms of P&G fabric products in the same transaction. So 1 detergent, 1 liquid fabric enhancer, 1 of the dryer sheets, and 1 of the scent beads. However, this coupon is glitching and you do not have to pick up all 4 forms in order for this coupon to work. And in fact, in the deals that I'm going to share with you all in this video, we are only picking up 2 products. So here's the first deal that I did this morning. You want to pick up 1 of the Tide liquid laundry detergents, 115 fluid ounces for $15.95, and 1 of the Tide Power Pods 32 count. And we have these 2 manufacturer coupons. It's a 4 off 1 for the Tide and Gain laundry products. And then we have a 305 off of 1 Tide Power Pod. Now, in my transaction, I had to ring up the Tide liquid laundry detergent first and the Power Pods second. That way the correct coupons attach to the correct products. Plus, we have the 10 off 30 DG store coupon coming off, so that is going to leave you paying $14.85 plus tax for both items. That is better than a buy one, get one free deal. Now, if you prefer Gain products, you might want to do this deal instead. Pick up one of the large Gain liquid laundry detergents, 154 fluid ounces at $15.95. And again, we're going to throw in the Tide Power Pods, 32 count at $15.95. And again, once you all get into the store and you pick out your different scents, make sure that you scan the item and make sure that 10 off 30 DG store coupon attaches. So we are going to be using these same exact coupons for this transaction. We have a 4 off 1 manufacturer coupon on the Tide and the Gain laundry detergent. And then we have that 305 off of 1 on the Tide Power Pods, plus our 10 off 30 DG store coupon. And again, on this transaction, you want to make sure that you ring up your Gain liquid laundry detergent first. That way that $4 coupon attaches. And that's going to leave you paying $14.85 for both items. Now, I'm going to go ahead and guess that a lot of you all are wondering if this new Spend 30 Save 10 DG store coupon is going to stack and work with our 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon. Well, your girl tried that out this morning, and unfortunately, those two coupons are not stacking and working together as of right now. But just like we saw in the previous weeks with the P&G coupons, things can always change. So I will keep you all updated on that. And I'm assuming the next question is going to be, can we wait and do these deals on Saturday with our $25 coupon? So, number one, this is a glitch deal. Things can change at any time. They can go into the system and fix it to where we have to purchase all 4 types of products. Now, I don't know that that's going to happen. Like I said, we're just going to have to wait until Saturday and see if this deal is still working. And if it is still working, that is when we will know if it's going to stack with our 5 off 25. Unfortunately, we cannot test that out until Saturday. All right, guys, so I think that's all that I have for you all so far. I do want to add on really quick that there are different ways that you can mix and match and use this Spend 30 DG store coupon. It is glitching. You do not have to buy 2 products, 3 products, 4 products. You can throw however many products that you want to into a transaction and use that DG store coupon. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I will be putting together some more scenarios and different ways that we can use this coupon, as well as up next we have our new clearance markdowns and penny list. So y'all stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. And before you go, you guys know the drill. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.